Hello friends and welcome to my channel Skillstyle. Today I will show you how to copy text from any image you take. First you need to go to Google Lens. If you don't have, you can download it from Play Store. Then after opening Google Lens, click here on the photo button. Click it and choose any photo you want, text you want to copy. Then when it will come like this, just select the text you want to copy like normally we do, and then click on copy text and your text will be copied, and then you can paste it anywhere you want. Like I am pasting it in WhatsApp. Just paste and here it is. Now like this you can do for any image. Thank you friends for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Skillstar. See you in next video.